Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, so I'm at the 1400 Hiline in Dallas, Texas, and we're looking at the gym. So let's start. We've walked in the building. This is 6th floor, and this is a pretty incredible gym. So this is the aerobic section. You can see all the windows, and it's actually a curved look and feel in here. So lots of windows here. You've got ellipticals, you've got treadmills, Stairmasters. Looks like you've got a spin machine, rowing bike, more treadmills, and then you've got some free weights over here too. So you've got leg press, pull down, lap pull downs. You've got bench, a Smith machine. You can do squats, and then you've got some leg things here too. You also have this other area that's got dumbbells and lots of mirrors and lights. So this is a pretty cool area. It looks great in here, and it's really big. I love all the light. I love the circular, just the circle of it. It looks really cool. Hey, if you have any questions about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below. We'll set up a tour for you right away, virtual or live. Now, there's one more amenity here, and I want to show it off. It's the pool lounge. We're going to go see that. It's right over here. Let's take a look at it right now.